Right now, you're one purchase away from either upgrading your life or delaying it for years. Most people never notice this moment because it feels like a normal decision. And this is exactly what happens after you save your first $10,000. At first, nothing looks different. You're not rich, your lifestyle doesn't suddenly change. But something important shifts in your head. Before $10,000, every expense feels dangerous. One mistake can wipe you out. You buy things for comfort, not strategy. After $10,000, you start thinking differently. You don't ask, can I afford this? You ask, will this help me move forward? This is where most people mess up. They finally save money and immediately spend it on things that feel like success. A new phone, a nicer car, more subscriptions, upgrades that impress people but don't improve your life. Meanwhile, the smartest purchases rarely look exciting. Sometimes it's a tool that saves time. Sometimes it's a skill that increases your income. Sometimes it's something boring that quietly pays you back. Here's a simple example. Someone buys a $1,200 phone while already having a working one. At the same time, they use tools that don't help them earn anything. Another person spends that money on something practical, not flashy, but useful. And over time, that choice creates opportunities. The difference isn't the money, it's the intention behind the purchase. Most people buy things that signal success. Very few buy things that actually build it. That's why your first $10,000 matters. Not because it makes you rich, but because it gives you control. Control over your time, control over your decisions, control over your future. Every dollar you spend is a vote for short-term comfort or long-term freedom. And the people who win financially are simply better at choosing what to upgrade first. Here's the part most people miss. Someone with $10,000 saved has more power than someone earning twice as much with nothing set aside. Because money isn't about income, it's about control. $10,000 won't make you rich, but it buys you time, and time is where smart decisions are made. So if your balance feels embarrassing right now, good. That's the starting line, not a failure. Build it slowly, stay consistent, because the discipline you develop on the way to your first $10,000 is what actually creates wealth. If this changed how you think about money, subscribe. No hype, no shortcuts, just clear thinking and better decisions. See you in the next one.